Hi guys, this is Math Made Easier with Demi. Today I have an exciting topic for you and I have a very easier way to approach it. So I try my best to break this down and I promise you will love it. Alright, so we start by making each of the equations, giving them a specific equation number. So we make equation 1 for the first equation and equation 2. Okay, so I'll start by simplifying the equation 1 by applying the laws of logarithm. So here we have log xy base 3 equals 2, and that is from equation 1. We apply the law of logarithm, which says that when two logs are adding, we multiply the log numbers. So from there we have this. So we can simplify this further to get xy equals 3 exponent 2 by changing the log to indices. Okay, so the base number here we just carry this 2 and 2 becomes an exponent, so that the xy becomes a number. So we have from here we can make simplify it further. So we have xy equals 9. So we make an expression in terms of x, so that we can substitute x into equation 2 here. Okay, so we have x equals 9 on y. That will be for equation 3. Okay, so we substitute the equation 3 into equation 2 as I've shown you earlier on. So we have log 2y minus 3 bracket close base 3 minus 2 log 9 on y. So this expression here, the 9 on y, is x substitute for the x. Okay, so we can further expand this using the logarithm theorem, which is when the numbers are dividing, we subtract the log. So we have this expression here. So this whole log term has been expressed in this form. So this is the expansion form for it. Now this log 9 base 9 becomes 1. So to the simplest form, and we try to change this to a base involving 3. So we convert the base here to base 3. So remember, so we have log 9, we have log y base 9 equals log y base 3 on log 9 base 3, and this is the conversion of logarithm basis. Okay, so the simplest form for this expression becomes log y base 3 on 2. So in place of log y base 9, we substitute this. Okay, so that is what you see in the next expression. So as you can see here, okay, this is no more there, this expression is no more there. So we have this, right? Good. So we open the bracket, we apply both math here, and we get this expression. Okay, so from there we have we can as well simplify this expression. Okay, so we have the negative 2 with the minus 2 going to the other side of the equal sign to be plus 2. So we have this expression here. which will give us 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we have this expression. Then we can as well apply the logarithm law from this, okay, since they are adding. So this log number here multiplies the expression we have in the bracket, so that the log becomes a single log. So we have this. Okay. Then from here we can change this log to indices, since we have a single log on our left hand side. So this will here as our next expression. Then from there we expand and we get this. So we have a quadratic equation. So from the quadratic equation we factorize, and our factorization, guess what? We have this. Okay. So from here we have our y value, and for both negative and positive, so we have this. So we have y equals 9 on 2, or y equals negative 3. Since we are dealing with log numbers, okay, we know that for log numbers, they are always positive. Log numbers do not deal with negative. We don't have negative log number. Okay, so since y is a log number, okay, so this y is a log number, that means that we have to discard the negative. Okay, so we pick the positive value. So by picking the positive value, we substitute the positive value into our equation 3. Okay, then from there we have this 9 on 2. Simplifying it, we have x equals 2, and that brings us to the end of our problem. So it means we have the x value to be 2 and the y value to be 9 on 2. Problem solved. Alright guys, let me know if you really enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also